Chevrolet, and we make car buying fun here at Red River Chevrolet since 1931. Art, tell me, you and Connie have bought 2 hot rods and now a big truck to go driving for their retirement. So tell me a little bit about your experience here.
Well, every time we come here, it's a red carpet for us. Every single buying experience has been absolutely fantastic. They take care of you from the moment you step in to the moment you go out the door and then some.
Absolutely, and Diane is an awesome car seller, and every time you came, it's always been an awesome experience. Awesome.
Thank you so much, Connie and Art. Tell me something. So if you had to send your family and friends shopping, where would you send them?
Red River Chevrolet.
Thank you, and I'm Diane Walden here at Red River Chevrolet, and I want to thank y'all one more time for shopping with us.